This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
Once you've got all your supplies set up and your tax rates and configuration all set up, the next thing to do if you want to go down the automated expense allocation path is to set up your rules. Now you don't have to do this, and you can do everything the old school way and just add an expense manually, or you can use the Prism's automation tool to allow the expenses in your business to be calculated every day. So the first one, and probably the most important, is day rates. So to add a day rate, you simply select what you want from here, input the rate, the tax rate, the receivables account. So we created the receivables account previously as day rate income, and then the tax rate there. Click save. So what that means is that any horse that's currently at that location with that status will be charged $110 a day. In addition to this, you can also add sub rates. So for Eagle Farm, or for a lot of the major metro courses, the racing club will charge you a track and pull fee, so which you pass on generally to the owner. And again, you might set this up as a different one. It might be you might set it up as track and pull fee. So you might create another one which is one. So you can set it up as you go along. That's created that account now, so that'll then also sync back to zero when you do your syncing or your statement creation. Then you click save. And so what that means is that any horse that's at Eagle Farm full training will not only get charged the 110 for the day rate income, but will also get charged the 105. So you basically just keep adding in what you need. Might be slightly different. And then you can obviously add in things like gisting. So what will happen now is that any of the horses that are in these statuses, they'll have their day rates calculated. So if we go into the horse section and we allocate these horses to full training, you can see that that's now going to charge that horse out at $110. And that'll do that from the 31st of July. You can go through, edit this. Leave it there. Let's charge out at $90. And then obviously you just keep going through and managing this. The other thing that this does is it creates presets out of the rules. So if this horse you knew was at full training, you just select that from the preset. So it just makes it really quick. If you change something to a location that doesn't have a day rate, the system will ask you if you want to create one. So in this case, we haven't defined one for pre-training, but obviously we need to add that rate in. Simply click that button and say whatever the rate may be, make sure it's all correct, and then put it to whatever account you need to. And so what that does is it means that that horse is now being charged at pre-training rates, and that rule will also be added into the finance section as well. So you can see there, Eagle Farm pre-training. So the system is basically there to sort of help you along, make sure that you capture every cost that you can, and that there's no leakage. So now that all these day rates are in and the horses have their day rates and locations allocated, you'll then see in the transaction list, I should say, all of the expenses that have been calculated every day. So this horse has been there for 44 days, and that's the day rate. The last one that we updated there, the Eagle Farm pre-training that we just added in, $75. You can see that's just been calculated now. So now, once you have everything in and accurate, and all of your horses have the right location and status, the system will just keep calculating these day rates in the background for you.